A former Prime Minister has joined the debate about the National Identification System (N.I.D.S), weighing in on some of the concerns while raising others of his own. While indicating that he supports the introduction of the new ID system, Bruce Golding says some concerns should be addressed before going forward, while others are just ludicrous. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
For former Prime Minister Bruce Golding, a national identification system has been a long time in the making, as he was part of a team working on establishing such a system in 1979. That attempt, he recalls, was scaled down to a voter's ID system because of concerns and details that needed to be finalized in a relatively short time. Speaking at a recent political science lecture series at the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean campus in Kingston, Mr. Golding raised those concerns, starting with information security.
If WikiLeaks could break into the State Department technology and steal Hillary Clinton business, then what is poor little Jamaica for them to find out? So that's an area that I would want greater assurance on.
He listed different agencies such as the police having secured levels of access to the information as another concern which needs to be ventilated. He believes that with most aspects of life going digital, Jamaica needs to operate as a modern society. He notes that most Jamaicans accept new biometric measures, including himself the last time he traveled.
The man put a camera in my eye and photographed my eye. He has data about my, what do you call this, biometric here. He has data about that I don't have. My own government don't have that. But the American government has it. And I didn't kick up no fuss. I wanted to go look for my daughter, and if you want to take my foot bottom, you can take it. I just want to go see my daughter.
He notes that there have always been resistance to new systems and changes locally, including the National Insurance Scheme and family planning, which was labeled as a measure to reduce the black population.
I don't have the time to deal with the mark of the beast foolishness and so on. Man, this is 2017, let's put them superstitious business aside. And I'm surprised to hear some men of the cloth who are going around peddling that nonsense. But then there are other things that men of the cloth are doing that are surprising me too.
Herman Green, TVJ News.